How to enable VPN in Chrome. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's get started. Start by moving into your application Chrome. Click on this three dot at the bottom right corner, and then head over to Settings. Inside Settings, you can see there is no any option or the feature where you are able to enable the VPN. But still, there is an alternate way to enable the VPN on Chrome. What you gotta do is, you have to install any of the VPN application on your device, and then open it. Once you have opened the VPN, try to connect to any of the server that you want to. Click on Allow, and then enter the passcode of your device. Now choose any of the fastest location that you want to connect. Once it has been connected, now you can go to Chrome and use it. The VPN will also be applied to Chrome, and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.